Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A11 and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So firstly, let's enter your contact list, for example using the dialer. Right now we have to find the contact we'd like to edit and tap on it. Now let's tap on this info icon and here we have to enter this camera. And let's wait a second, or maybe try again. Let's tap on it and info icon. And tap on the camera. Okay, now it works. So as you can see, we've got two different options from which we can choose. We can choose the camera, so your device will open the camera app, and this is the best option if you've got the person right in front of you. Or you can simply tap on the gallery and you will be transferred to your photos. Here we've got some permissions, so simply tap on allow. And right now, let's tap on the photo we would like to use. And from this step, we can adjust the size of this square. And thanks to this, we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact. So just position it like you want and tap on done if you are ready. As you can see, it has been immediately applied. So just tap on save. And it has been immediately applied to the contact. What's more, it is visible on the contact list and you will be able to see it whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually that's all. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your Samsung Galaxy A11. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.